Hello, Bakaina. Avuxeni hinkwako kwako lama nga kona. Thank you very much for joining me. Na khensa swinene ku mi joining ka Nkanelo Gingirikani. Ni la ku endla video leyi ni nge tirhi hi la ku dyondzisa na ku endla YouTube. Se ni ka Chrome la. Ni ta endla ka Google. So loko ku ri ke ni ri hava email address ya Gmail. Swi vula ku i fanele ni sungula hansi ni ta mi komba ku endlisa ku yini. Then loko ri na Gmail already kahle kahle wehe hi YouTube na yona. You just need to start uploading, you know. So a hi yini ni sungulisa hansi ka lava kuma ku a va na tona ti Gmail. Loko na Gmail na yona YouTube mara loko i ri hava Gmail ni kombela hi ndla leswiwani. Let's Gmail account, create Gmail account. Let's Google it, create Gmail account. Because you need Gmail account to have YouTube. Ay sunguleni kwala. So you click on create, the first thing there, you click a corner, and then you click a like create Gmail, create a Gmail account, you need to sign in, what, create an account. Click a line, create an account, and then it is snika mavitu, nangabula nuku Nkanelo wa if you can last name nuku Gingirikani. Lawani ntatlhela ni tirhisa mavito malama ni nga ma tirhisa laha ku Nkanelo wa Gingirikani @gmail yi tsariwile. Loko ku ri ke ni wena Skheto Maluleke ta tsala ku Skheto Maluleke @gmail.com. Loko ku ri ke ni wena Phineas Sithole ta tsala sweswo. Nghunghunyani Makhuvele ta tsala sweswo ivi laha la ku humelela ni fanele ni create password ne ya hi ku i nge ngheni ka email leyiwa i nga ri na password. So password ya mina ni swi tivi ku ni nga ku yini. Confirm futhi ya ni veke password ya mina lani ni tshemba ku ya fana. It must be 8 letters or more. Swi ve ni swi hundza maletere ya 8. Hi nga vekela tinambara kumbe tlhivekela na marito ku create email address because you need email and a Gmail ku va i create a YouTube channel, right? Hikuva vanhu vo tala va tirhisa ti YouTube masiku so a hi endleni ku next ku se hina hi ready. A nga ra swi fani swilo leswi ku na problem like a password leyi munhu tlhela yi lunghisa futhi. Ni tshemba swa fana se a riti swi swa fana ya password leyi yi hume kahle. Sweswiwani hi create email address. Xo sungula i fanele va na email address. So yi ri yini like that username is taken. So yi ri is taken Nkanelo ka munhu a nga na ku na munhu a nga create Nkanelo ku na munhu hayi mhaka yini. Gmail sweswi yi ni byela ku ku na munhu la nga teka rito Nkanelo wa Gingirikani. It's okay munhu endla yin'we ku munhu la nga teka email ya mina vito leri ra Nkanelo wa Gingirikani a ri endla email ya yena. Swi vula ku na munhu a n'wi dyeka a ti fiki laha handle ta n'wi kuma. So ni ta n'wi ngetela 1 laha for now ivi ni Nkanelo wa Gingirikani 1 ivi yi ku okay munhu ni teka phone number ya mina because phone yi lava code. Let's get a code here. Yeah, the code will come through on this one. Got the code. So our code is G. We got the code is so our code is G. Good code. Verify. Okay. I'm in. So just wanna create a channel. all these things, these are terms and conditions. I think you have to scroll down. If I scroll down, you agree, you will create an email. We're creating an email. Before enter YouTube, you find an email address here, Gmail. And like I saw on English code, go on YouTube, yeah, way. No. This is what we're trying to do here. Trying to create an email address so we can have a Gmail account. So now it looks to a set. That's it. Nkanelo Gingirikani 1. So you can click on this icon. You see there. This is your email account. Ne? This is your YouTube. And there we are in. So now that we are here, this is our YouTube. You actually have YouTube. Just need to activate it. The only way to activate it is to click on this thing. Is to upload a video. That's how you activate the YouTube channel, and that's how you upload. Every time you want to upload for whatever, a song, whatever you want to upload, you come here, create video, and then you create. Click on that icon, upload video, and then your creator journey begins. So you get started. So your Nkanelo Gingirikani, you select your account. You want to use your name like that, Nkanelo Gingirikani. Created that channel. So it's a channel. Nkanelo Gingirikani is now a channel. Nice work. Your channel Nkanelo Gingirikani has been created. You see, it's so easy. And then what you do is to upload. This thing says upload picture. I don't know if I want to upload picture now, but I'll just skip it for now. You can skip this thing, but before that you need to, let's go down to add channel description. This is Nkanelo Gingirikani channel. And then you go down, website, custom. You don't have a, if you have a website that you have, some of these things you skip. And then you say save and continue. We are creating a YouTube channel. So easy. This Nkanelo Gingirikani channel is now ready. Yo, what subscribers? Mitanta subscribe. So you could customize channel, you got it, you know, you need like upload. Now that you are here, what you wanna look yearly answers la. Here upload. So you just click there. So shula look where in there or you made your video. Whatever you do, you just upload. So it address the video editing software, letting upon that thing are free. Tell man, letting upon la handle. Manum combine kuna one upon the one batala white dressa. In short, it's called in short. Enter simu itakar simra when you can a picture when it's enter in short. Kumba itresa letung wating upon. Valaki, I'm not sure what the enter na. The software totally tingaku xikona loko u nghena ka Google Store it not downloadable to create a video software. They are free, and then you take a system la wena I rindlala la I vekana picture ya wena loko yi exporter loko yi ta exporter ivi save, then it upload the video liya la because you have to upload the song as video. You cannot upload the song leswi ri nga xiswona i fanele ri endla ri va video hi ndlela leyo. So upload, you upload. So you just come to upload here, click upload network. So I'm clicking upload. We upload a shield. Got it. Select the file. You come here and select the file, and then you can upload whatever you want to upload. Channel eyes I run a video. So what you can do is to just upload, and you keep uploading every day, guys. It's so easy. This thing, so difficult. People will follow you. You have one subscriber, and then it will grow. Shabo one oklandele. Look, it will make you post a shower. One. You know what I did that trend la mara. Mkongu no kona ngazanga jamari. Okay, hi leswi a ni mi khomele swona ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani ku hi create YouTube channel i ndlela yaleyo nkarhi hinkwayo loko u lava ku create you come here, and if you want to view a channel you go there, all those things. So ni khensile ku mi hi langutini ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani hi kha hi create YouTube channel. Ni tshemba ku mi dyondzini. All right, inkomu.